So it's now officially a two-horse race for the JFF presidency. Mr. Michael Ricketts versus Ambassador Stuart Stevenson. I want to say this though. Regardless of who wins the presidency, there will be no honeymoon period for either President Ricketts or President Stevenson. We need to hurry up and get these little formalities out of the way and get to work. And one of the many things that the new president will have to address immediately is to build back the trust and the connection between the senior Reggae Boys team and the local fans and the sponsors. One big step in that direction was taken by the performance of the local born and bred players at the Gold Cup. We now need to reopen the office for business and build back that fortress inside the National Stadium, cost it what it may. And look, we don't have to go for Brazil or Argentina or Germany, but good God, man, it is utter madness to have a national senior football team and then don't play a single warm-up match on their home turf for going on 3 years? No, sir. If it's even Cuba or Haiti, then they're near. And to the new president in waiting, we don't mention the desperate situation with the playing surfaces or the $400 million JFF debt. And what about the struggling Premier League, the beach football program, the futsal program? When you think JFF presidency, a bed of roses? What about the under 15, the under 17, and the under 20, and the under 23 programs? JFF presidency and a joy ride. What about the female program, and the under 15 program, and the under 20 program? What about the senior women's program? What about the Olympics team? What about the academy? JFF presidency.